Hey everyone! If you're in the market for a laptop that's not just powerful but also designed to maximize productivity and creativity, then you need to check out the ASUS Zenbook Duo. This dual-screen laptop is a game-changer for multitaskers, content creators, and professionals on the go. And the best part? I'll be sharing an exclusive link below where you can grab one at the best price. So, let's talk about what makes the ASUS Zenbook Duo stand out. First off, that stunning 14-inch OLED main display with ultra-vivid colors and crisp clarity. It's perfect for designers, video editors, and anyone who appreciates high-quality visuals. But what truly sets it apart is the 12.7-inch ScreenPad Plus. The secondary touchscreen that gives you extra workspace. Whether you're editing videos, working with multiple apps, or just needing quick access to tools, this extra screen is a productivity booster. Imagine having your timeline open in Adobe Premiere Pro while keeping your preview window clear or using it as a control panel for your music production software. The possibilities are endless. Under the hood, the Zenbook Duo is packing serious power. You get up to an Intel Core i9 processor, 32GB of RAM, and an NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU. That means lightning-fast performance whether you're gaming, video editing, or handling intensive tasks like 3D rendering, and let's talk storage, up to 1TB of PCIe SSD. So you can store all your projects without worrying about running out of space. Now, ASUS didn't just stop at performance. They've designed this laptop for comfort too. The ergonomic keyboard with a tilt-up design makes long work sessions much easier, and the precision trackpad is super responsive. Plus, with ASUS Pen support, digital artists will love the added flexibility for drawing and designing on the go. Even with all this power, the Zenbook Duo offers impressive battery life, lasting up to 10 hours on a single charge. And at just 3.5 pounds, it's lightweight enough to carry anywhere, making it ideal for travel and remote work setups. So, is the ASUS Zenbook Duo worth it? If you're someone who thrives on productivity and creativity, this laptop is an absolute beast. Whether you're an artist, editor, developer, or business professional, it's designed to keep up with your workflow. And the best part? I've got a special affiliate link in the description that will take you straight to the best deal available. Don't miss out, click the link, check out the offers, and level up your productivity today. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and drop a comment below if you have any questions about the ASUS Zenbook Duo. I'll catch you in the next one.